Welcome everybody. We need the following figure. We are expected to find the area of the shaded region. The center O and I think put the point here somewhere. So this is Q. Now we are asked to find this region. Okay. So this is the region we are required. We are not given the radius of the circle. The information that we are given is this distance is 8 units, this distance is 5 units. Okay, and we are expected to get the area of the shaded region. Okay, now this is 90 degrees that is given. So we will be using the two tangents theorem first. So if two tangents are drawn, to a circle from an external point, then their lengths are equal. So that means clearly PB will be equal to, say, I'm taking this point as MB, which is equal to 8. So this distance is 8, so this will also be 8. Also, CQ will be equal to CP, which is equal to 5 units. So this distance will be 5. So now let QA be equal to X. So this means if this is X, this is external point, two tangents are drawn, so this will also be X. So AM is equal to X. Okay. Now since CAB is right angled triangle, so by Pythagoras we have CA squared plus AB squared is equal to CB squared. So 5 positive X squared plus AB squared is X positive 8 squared is equal to CB is 13 squared. So this is 25 10x plus x squared positive x squared positive 16 x positive 64 is equal to 169. So I add 25 with 64, that's going to be 9 and 18, 9. So I add these two, I get 2x squared. I add these two, I get 26x. I have added these two, so that's going to give me 79 is equal to 169. Push this to the other side, or you bring this to this side. So 2x squared positive 26x positive 79 negative 169 is equal to 0. So from 169 you take away 79, 0, you get 90, right? So 2x squared positive 2x and negative 90 is equal to 0. I divide by 2, I get x squared 13x negative 45 is equal to 0. So x is equal to, I'm using this formula, negative b plus or minus root of 13 squared negative 4 times a times and c times divided by 2 times a. So this is going to give me 90, not 90, 4 5s are 22, 16, 17, 18, 180, right, 20, 16, and I have a 13 I need to multiply by 13. So 8 4s are, or it's a 8 3s are 24, 2, 3 5, and 8 1s are 8 1, so it's 13 2 and 4 0, so 2 3 4 0 we have. So 2 3 4 0 added with 169, 6 10 3 4 5, so this is negative 13 plus or minus root of 2509 divided by 2. This is the value of x. Now this value, square root of 2509, is approximately 50.08. So I'm going to take it as approximate value of 50.1. So negative 13 positive, probably I will take it as 50, right? So divided by 2. So from 50 you take away 13, 7, you get 37. 37 divided by 2, which is going to be 1 and 16, 18.5. Okay, that's the value of x, 18.5. So now I'm going to use so let me write that down. 18.5 is the value. Now we are going to use tangent theorem. So what is the tangent theorem states? The radius makes an angle of 90 degree with the tangent. So if you were to draw the radius, this radius with the tangent is 90 degree. There's also a tangent here. I can draw that. This will also be 90 degrees. Now this is already a 90 degree. This is already a 90 degree. So we have a square here. So QOMA is a square. So area is equal to side into side. Our side is 18.5 multiplied with 18.5. So you multiply 18.5 with 18.5. What do you get? 5 is 25, 2, 40, 42, 4, 9. And then 18.5, 5 is 44. Right, 64, 68, 6 and 14, and then 5, 8, 1. So you add this, you get 5, 2, 13 and 22, right? 22 carry 2, 6, 14 and 1. So you get 342.25. So this is the area, but we need the required region, right? So what is the required area? Required area is nothing but from the area of the square, you take away the area of the sector. So we need to know the area of the sector. Area of sector is equal to theta over 360 times pi r squared. Now this angle is the sector angle, right? So the sector angle is 90 degrees divided by 360 times pi times r squared. What is r? R squared is the radii, x 18.5. 18.5 squared. So 9 divides here 4 times. So you have pi times 18.5 squared divided by 4. So you have to do the division. But 18.5 squared, we just got it right. It's 342.25. Right? So this is equal to 342.25 times pi divided by 4. So we can find this out. So if I were to divide by 4, 8 4s are 32, 2 remainder, 8 5s are 22 point, you bring a 2 again, 5, 22, 5, then a 5, 20 and a we can take this value, right, 85.55 pi, right? So taking pi as 3.14, 85.55 multiplied with 3.14, how much do we get for that? We get 268.47. So the required area, so area of the square, area of the square is 342.25 minus 268.47. So how much does it work out to? 342.25, 268.47. You get a 8, you get a 7, you have a 3 there, and you have a 3 there, you get a 7. So required area is 73.78 square units. So that's the solution for this question. Thank you everybody. Please like, share and subscribe.